1. Preparation begins. What a mess. Yeah, this is a fishing pole, tackle and some bait. A man will take my fish off.
Right, ready? And everyone smiling. Wait for the flag.
Sausages. Smile.
Cheers. Quite a lot of you guys and girls, sorry, over the years. There's still a few faces that I don't know, so could everybody do me a huge favour? If I call you out, could you just stand up, put your hand up, and then we'll give you a round of applause. So, sorry? Can everybody hear me that way? Yeah. So, just to orientate myself, so if you are, we're on the 16 team that's come across the Irish Sea, please stand up. If you're a ladies team that's come across the Irish Sea, please stand up. And if you're a seniors team from across the Irish Sea, please stand up. Okay, if you have a flag that's got a blue background with a big white cross on it and you're under 16, please stand up. If you're from the ladies team with a big blue flag with a white cross on it, please stand up. Senior team, Team Scotland, please stand up. The team on the flags here, but it'll end soon. So if your flag has got a big dragon on it, and you're under 16, please stand up. I'm not putting anybody's dragon here, but if you're a lady with a dragon, please stand up. And if you're from the senior team from Wales, please stand up. Okay, if you're part of an under 16 team which still has a team in the World Cup, please stand up. I thought I'd get a lot more booze than that. If you're from the ladies team which still has a team in the World Cup, please stand up. Senior team, and you live in Kent, as most of you do, please stand up.
Into the window of my mind, reflections of the fears I know I've left behind. I step out of the ordinary. I can feel my soul ascending. I'm on my way, can't stop me now, and you can do the same.
Welcome back everyone. So today it's day 1 of competition and we're at SALC Home. The whole team's ready, I think. We've done our practice, we're all prepared, made our rigs, All the other teams are here as well, so we've got about an hour until we can get onto our pegs. So just waiting. Just waiting. We've got the Irish, the Scottish, and the Welsh.
Go then, start the match. Go, Lexi, go.
Nice.
Good morning all. Day 4.
Hello, welcome back. Day 2 of the competition.
I said day 4.
Day 2. Come on, England.
I don't think I want to see that.
Wait, where's... Someone's not on it. Oh yeah, we are, okay. Welcome back everyone. So today it's day 2 of competition and we're at Hythe Beach. Yesterday's results was amazing. England are now joint first with Wales. I come first in my section with 28 fish. How did you lot get on?
I come first in my section with 22 fish.
Came second in mine with, I think, 10, something.
I came third because of last cast. Yeah, I was first until the last.
How'd you get on yesterday, Ronnie?
Running up and down.
down?
The thing was fun.
Yeah?
Good.
Good experience?
Yeah.
Love it. Yeah, so today we've got to smash them up again. Team England. The men's did well as well for England and the ladies.
Yeah, we all.
Woo!
All the teams came
Come on, England.
Oh. Hello. This is bait distribution. Yeah, everyone's in it. Welcome back everyone. So it's day 3 today, the final day of competition, and we're back at Sapphire Home. Yesterday we had a really good day. I came first.
I came first.
I came first. I had a second.
I had a second as well.
So we did very well. We're 4 points ahead of Wales currently. So today is the make or break. We need to win the day to secure the gold. The weather's nice. They're not to say now. Time for a team talk.
Come on, England.
Come on!
Yeah, right. Going short that yeah? Minimum 4 rigs. 4 rigs made up, yeah? All baited up, ready to go. If it goes quiet, then chuck out with the rock boat, yeah? Start off on 30 yards, yeah? 30 yards, maybe with a popper, you know, a combi rig, something like that.
Got local residents coming in.
Oh God.
Well, can't.
fourth place, finishing the week with 20 points. With the dark bronze medals, it's Team Scotland. In third place, with 36 points from the week, in the bronze medals and well-earned bronze medals, it's Team Ireland. Okay, in second place, when you're inside, you have to go to a countback. In second place, in the silver medals, it's Team Wales. Championships on the 16 category with 38 points, it's Team England. The 2026 SALC Home Championships. Ladies champions, 42 points. And your winners, 2026 SALC Home
This is what you call gold medalists after, I don't know. But as you can tell, day 3 went cracking. England did win a gold medal. Come on! England! Get in there! Come on! England!
Just going to pop that
Yeah,
on the
no.
inside.
Don't think you're tough.
Just get a chair in, Steve. Get a chair and sit down.
Everyone. Just going to keep me.
Right.
Sorry.
Right then. So, make sure I can hear you. I can hear you, let's say.
Hello.
Perfect. See?
1, 2, 3,
Perfect. Okay, we are rolling. A couple of questions. How you got into it? And what this weekend's been for you, that sort of thing. Steve, can I ask you any questions?
I was going to say exactly the same thing.
Yeah.
So, next team, you've ended the week with a trophy in your hand and the gold medal around your neck. Do you think that would be happening at the start of the week?
Not really, to be honest. It was a bit up and down. Practice days, obviously. Didn't really know how the other teams were getting on, so I guess it's kind of just see what happens. But we did it, and I'm very happy.
Absolutely, you've earned that medal. I know this is a team event, but on the first day at Samfire, you had an incredible day. I think you were only beaten overall by Sol Page.
Yeah.
That's a pretty good place to be.
Yeah, best achievement. I'm speechless.
So how did you get into all this?
My dad actually, he went out fishing when I was in bed when I was little, and then I kind of found out about it, so I wanted to go more, and then I went out more with him, started catching more fish than him, and he's like, she's actually likes it and she's catching fish, and then we looked at what further steps we could take, and I'm here now.
And what are the steps you can take? What would you say to a girl who wants to get into fishing and get to the stage that you're at now, which is on top of the country?
I'd say just do it. Like, although it is a mostly male-dominated sport, you don't see many girls or women in the sport. So, although you do, just join fishing clubs in the local area, or go to a local fishing match and talk to people. Definitely talk to people. Obviously, everyone's helpful and gives advice. Yeah, I'd just say go for it, sign up, do what you love. As long as you enjoy it, then you'll get there.
But you're inspiring others as well. Remember that you've got your YouTube channel.
Yeah.
So you've got thousands and thousands of people watching your videos as well.
Yeah.
Who want to be like you.
Yeah.
It's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Well done.
Thank you.
Cool. Wonderful.